Later, buddy.
But I was the first.
Oh, he waved at me.
Hey, will you stop?
We don't know if he wants to be eaten or if he just wants to be tempted.
This is how you tease a dog. Oh, he got it.
Hey, Ziggy. I guess that's Olivia's Olivia's taking the baby for a walk.
She has to want to get what I do. Grandma.
My God.
What?
Oh my God. Oh my God. ¿Qué pedo? Oh my God. Did you get that? Oh my God.
Abby.
اركب يا دكتور كده في النص.
Get in the trash. Oh. Were you a bad boy? Yes, you were a bad boy. He took it! He took it! He took the cooker! Good boy. Give him a big hug. Say, love you, King. Can you get that trouble? He about to fall. Get him, look. Oh my gosh. I don't know what to do.
Give it something to eat.
Oh my God, that's like Coco. Got a tan.
Harley, come on. What? Come on. Oh, he just hit himself.
Later, buddy.
But I was the first.
Oh, he waved at me.
Go, Dad. Say cheese. Dad, smile. Smile.
Wait, listen. You couldn't hear him.
He's like, this isn't funny anymore because they already got my number.
Move, my cracker. Stop it, that's mine.
Give me that. That's my cracker. That's my cracker. Give me that.
Don't do that.
Oh my gosh.
Please come off. Ow, ow, ow.
We got a lizard stuck. Come on, little lizard.
Please come off.
Come on. Come on.
Come on. Come on.
Look at the camera. He won't let go. Say help.
Is he your friend? Say,
Oh, is a trick-or-treater coming? Oh, is a trick-or-treater coming?
They spit, so I would go. Go.
Oh, we haven't seen camels either, speaking of spitters. Hey,
Go, Dad,
okay,
go.
Brady.
Oh, I'm sorry, dude. I gotta go.
Dad, go!
You see it? It's so cute.
It's kind of creepy. It just like...
With Play 60, United Way in the NFL will help you kids stay active and play at least 60 minutes a day. But what this place needs is you to donate or volunteer.
Except for that part. This video. Yeah. Oh, Clay! I can't.
Okay, I
can't.
Ready to go?
Richie, what's on your butt?